gosh, the best thing ever. All right, it's a little hot. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be changing my oil and then going on a POV drive, or just like a drive with me kind of thing. I forgot to include that in my last video because I filmed it like 80 times. And by the last time I filmed it, I was just honestly over it. And I completely forgot to include clips of me like driving around in my car. So we're gonna be doing that today. I've been doing a lot of driving with this oil. I feel like I've been out of town a couple times, been to a couple car shows. The last car show that I went to was at the end of October, which was V2 Labs Mystery Meet. That was cool, and I thought I would include some clips of that in here just because I love drifting, and that was the last car show I've been to. So hopefully there's some good ones coming up so I can go to those. But yeah, it's been a while since I've changed my oil, so let's go ahead and get that out the way and then we'll go on this POV drive. I got my fanny pack and it has everything I need in it. Let's get going. This is the filter that I will be using. I've used different ones in the past, but I feel like you can't go wrong with the actual Honda filter, so yeah. And then this is the oil that I'm using. I'm pretty sure that the people watching this already know how to change their oils, so I'm not really gonna go into detail, but I mean, if there happens to be somebody out there with the same car as me and they're curious to know what oil I use or what oil to use, this is a really good one. Mobile One is also good. It really doesn't matter. I mean, as long as it's made for the car, it doesn't matter. Just look up an oil that is made for your car and it's full synthetic, and yeah, that's that. It's chilly, so I don't want to be out here for too long, so we're gonna make it quick. I know this is like old school, but I still use it, but I only have a little bit of room until it won't even fit under the car anymore, and then I'll upgrade to the rapid pump low profile one, but don't judge me. This is my left hand, so let's see. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll try. This angle really sucks, but this is all I have right now, so we're just gonna have to film like this. To drive 2 miles per hour, so we all missed the light. There's no wait, is that a spot? Please tell me that's a spot. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yeah. way. I don't know who built this, but oh shoot, I gotta come out of here too. Like, this is looking real sketchy. Okay. Oh no, oh no, hurry up. There's so much traffic. I can't even do like a proper pull for you guys, but it's okay. I'll do another POV drive another day or something, whatever. To head to, where am I going? Mystery Meat 6. I'm tired, but let's go. Redo.